The custom bot feature is for users that want to automate strategies and/or indicators on TradingView. I'll go over how you can accomplish this step by step. To create your own custom bot, click the custom bot link at the top of your homepage. Here, you'll select the exchange API you would like to use for this particular strategy. Next, choose the trading type, which will be either spot or futures. Then enter the trading pair you want to automate. For example, this could be Bitcoin over USDT or Solana over USDT. The allow layered entries toggle is disabled by default, but you can switch this on if your strategy will make more than one entry per position. For example, if your strategy will make 2 long entries before exiting the trade instead of the standard 1 entry, 1 exit, then you would want to turn this toggle on. In the amount section, you will set how much capital you would like to use per trade. This can be a fixed USD value or a percentage of your available account balance. Keep in mind, if you use percentage, it compounds as your balance grows or shrinks. For example, if your strategy made money on the previous trade, the bot will use a portion of those gains and reinvest them into the next trade. Therefore, if you choose the fixed amount option, the values you input are interpreted as the USD value of each trade. If you choose the percentage option, the values you input will be interpreted as a percentage of your available futures or spot balance. Next, the use amount sent by TradingView toggle is disabled by default, but if you decide to toggle this on, it will emit the amount per trade field and use the amount sent by the strategy itself on TradingView. The bot name is for you to give your bot in order to identify it later when it is in your dashboard. Bot status is active by default, but can be switched to inactive if you want to set up the bot for later use, or if you currently have another strategy running with the same trading pair. You can then choose your leverage and margin mode, followed by a limit kill period, which just means if your limit order is not filled within the set time period, the order will be cancelled. After this, just click next. Then you will be guided to the webhook page where you will copy information to later put into TradingView in order for your custom strategy to work properly. Remember to leave this page open until your bot is fully set up. Automating with PrimeAutomation strategies and indicators. Once you have dialed in a strategy or an indicator that you would like to automate, exit the setup window and wait for the changes you have made to update. Next, go to your alerts tab and click the plus icon to create a new alert. Now choose the indicator or builder that you're going to automate from the conditions dropdown. Make sure you set the alert expiration to open-ended to avoid your alert stopping due to expiration. Then go to the messages section and give your alert a name. Next, go back to PrimeAutomation to copy the first webhook URL and paste it under the webhook URL field in the notifications tab. Now you can save and close the alert and wait a few moments for it to appear. You can also pause the alert here, which will effectively pause your bot until you resume it. If you want to edit your strategy on TradingView after it's already been automated, simply click the edit alert gear icon, open the conditions dropdown and scroll down to find the duplicate strategy or indicator name at the bottom of the list. Select it, click save, and your bot will now follow the updated changes you have made. For indicators outside of the PrimeAutomation ecosystem, first copy and paste the entry and exit commands into the correct fields of the indicator or strategy builder you are using. Buy command is open long, sell command is open short, exit buy is close long, and exit sell is close short. If you'd like more details on how each part of this message works, like ticker, action, size, and more, simply visit our docs page by following this URL on screen. Now you can make an alert in the same way we mentioned earlier, just with one additional step. Click the plus icon to create a new alert, choose the indicator or builder that you are going to automate from the dropdown, make sure you set the alert expiration to open-ended to avoid your alert stopping due to expiration, then go to the messages section and give your alert a name. Next, copy the strategy order alert message text from the webhook page on PrimeAutomation and paste it into the message field. Make sure you have deleted all text in this field before doing so. Lastly, go back to PrimeAutomation to copy the first webhook URL and paste it under the webhook URL on the notifications tab. Click save to save the alert and you're all set. Now you have learned how to fully set up a custom bot, you'll be able to see your custom bot on your dashboard page and can easily identify them with a corresponding custom tag found on the bot card. Feel free to reach out to our support if you have any questions.